I want you to imagine that you are sitting in infinite darkness, surrounded, cloaked, seeps into your body. But instead of panic, you feel the peace, the calm, the sweet stillness that your soul longs for and yet seems separate from. Notice as the darkness transitions and moves out anything that doesn't serve, that isn't you, that isn't who you are becoming. Allow it to transition out anything that would cause blindness, that would cause fear, that would cause any of the chaos. Instead, let those float above your body. Let the darkness whisk them away to be transmuted into more energy, more peace, more fulfillment. Your soul was meant to guide. Your soul was meant to guide you. Let it. Notice as the darkness whisks away all of the things that do not serve, that it becomes easier to breathe, easier to transition, easier to notice that you as a being are limitless. Your power is unforetold. You know not what you can do, what you can achieve, what you can possibly accomplish by simply just being free. Free from the worries, the stress, the push and pull of the earthly realm. For you do not, as a soul, as a consciousness, give in to the illusion that is control. Where we know that we are always taken care of, that we are meant to breathe through the change, to allow the shift, allow the peace, and settle back, knowing that whatever happens, we will be fine. Take a nice deep breath in and hold it. Breathe out, exhaling all the tension melting away from your physical frame, allowing that joy to seep in. For when the tension, the stress, the headaches are all gone, then we truly know what that peace, that freedom, and that joy can feel like.